Hello, teacher. Hello. Okay, I will go to the office. Where's going, teacher? Let's go to the lab. We need back to the school now. Uy! Tsata ninyo. Kuya. Saman. Okay ba yung tidiya, ha? Okay ba yung tidiya, Ana, Tara. Mga ero, okay lang diya mga ero. Hindi, gantong sa ka ero.